Hey guys, you've given some really good examples of some redesigns in your posts. And so I wanted to share some things that I often share with my clients when we're talking about human factors and how to redesign things. So you'll see here on my screen this mistake proofing in healthcare. And so these are three examples that we see in the healthcare environment that really make making a mistake impossible. So these are Christmas trees, and you'll see here that the oxygen tubing is green, or the little thing is green, and it goes into the green plug. So it encourages people to make the right choice because they naturally will match them, but also the yellow doesn't fit into the green port. So it's literally impossible for someone to mix those up and put something else where the oxygen tubing should go. In examples of defibrillators, there are specific times when it will shock and it will not shock, and so humans cannot make an error with that. And then this here is called a LifeLock system, and the patient who donates blood creates a code, and so when the patient is ready for the blood, following a procedure or something like that, they have to enter their own code in order for the blood to open. So hopefully if they forget their code, they're not going to get that blood. So they'll have to, write that down or something. But it is literally impossible or almost impossible for the wrong patient to open the blood, which would result in the wrong blood being given to them. So I hope that is helpful and you enjoy those examples. I encourage you to keep thinking about how can we mistake proof it? How can we make it impossible for someone to make a mistake?